Welcome to the evolving world of nomadic living, where the dream of the open road no longer requires a massive fuel-guzzling motorhome or a towering professional van. Today, we are taking a deep dive into a revolutionary approach to van life that prioritizes efficiency, stealth, and the unmistakable warmth of a traditional home, all packed inside the footprint of one of the most reliable vehicles on the planet, the Toyota Sienna. For years, the minivan was relegated to soccer practice and grocery runs. But a new wave of adventurers is proving that with the right design philosophy, these family haulers can become the ultimate vessels for freedom. The conversion we are looking at today is a masterclass in spatial awareness, demonstrating that you do not need a high-roof Sprinter to live a high-quality life on the move. From the outside, this Toyota Sienna looks like any other vehicle you would find in a suburban driveway or a hotel parking lot. This is the secret weapon of the Sienna camper: stealth. While a large white van with solar panels and ladders screams camper, the Sienna blends seamlessly into its surroundings, allowing travelers to park in urban environments or quiet trailheads without drawing unnecessary attention. However, once you slide back those side doors, the suburban exterior vanishes, replaced by an interior that feels more like a high-end studio apartment or a cozy mountain cabin. The builders have managed to strip away the plastic and cloth of the original interior, replacing it with rich wood textures, soft ambient lighting, and a layout that defies the physical limitations of a minivan. The heart of this mobile oasis is the clever use of multifunctional furniture. Instead of a fixed bed taking up the entire rear area, the design utilizes a convertible lounge system. During the day, this space serves as a comfortable seating area, where you can work on a laptop, enjoy a meal, or simply watch the world go by through the windows. When the sun sets, the structure easily transforms into a generous sleeping platform. The transition is seamless, reflecting a deep understanding of the daily rhythms of van life. The bed is not just a place to sleep, it is a sanctuary, topped with high-quality cushions and draped in fabrics that evoke the feeling of a proper bedroom rather than a temporary campsite. Perhaps the most impressive feat in this Sienna conversion is the inclusion of a fully functional kitchenette. In many small van builds, the kitchen is an afterthought, often relegated to a slide-out drawer at the back of the vehicle. Here, however, the kitchen is integrated into the living space, allowing for indoor meal preparation regardless of the weather outside. It features a streamlined countertop, a hidden sink with a dedicated water system, and enough storage for essentials. The use of natural wood for the cabinetry and countertops provides a tactile warmth that balances the modern technology hidden beneath. Every drawer and cabinet is fitted with secure latches to ensure that everything stays in place while navigating winding mountain roads or coastal highways. Storage is the eternal challenge of any tiny home, and this build addresses it with surgical precision. Every available nook and cranny has been converted into a storage solution. There are hidden compartments under the floorboards, sleek overhead cabinets that follow the curve of the roofline, and drawers integrated into the base of the bed. This level of organization is what allows the living space to remain clutter-free, which is essential for maintaining mental clarity when living in a small area. By giving every item a dedicated home, the interior remains an inviting space rather than a cramped storage unit. Technology plays a silent but vital role in making this Sienna a viable home. Modern van life demands power for phones, laptops, and appliances. This build incorporates a sophisticated electrical system, likely powered by a high-capacity lithium battery bank, charged via the vehicle's alternator, and perhaps discreetly mounted solar panels. This allows the inhabitant to remain off-grid for days at a time, without sacrificing the comforts of modern life. Efficient LED lighting throughout the van allows for a variety of moods, from bright task lighting for cooking to a soft, warm glow for relaxing in the evening. The integration of these systems is handled with such care that you barely notice the wires or controllers. They are simply there when you need them. The choice of the Toyota Sienna as a platform is a stroke of genius for the modern nomad. Especially with the newer hybrid models, owners can enjoy incredible fuel economy and all-wheel drive capability, which opens up a world of possibilities for destination travel. The reliability of the Toyota drivetrain means that adventurers can focus on the journey rather than worrying about mechanical failures in remote locations.
Furthermore, the lower center of gravity and car-like handling of the Sienna make it a joy to drive compared to the stiff and cumbersome nature of larger commercial vans. It is a vehicle that invites you to drive further and explore more. What truly sets this conversion apart is the emotional response it elicits. Many van builds focus strictly on utility, resulting in a sterile or industrial feel.
This Sienna, however, prioritizes the warmth of a proper home. It is in the choice of the curtains, the grain of the wood, the soft touch of the upholstery, and the way the light hits the interior in the afternoon. It is a space designed for someone who wants to experience the raw beauty of nature during the day, but return to a cozy, refined environment at night. It proves that living small does not mean living less. As we look at the rising costs of housing and the increasing desire for experiential travel, it is clear why conversions like this Sienna are gaining popularity.
They offer an accessible entry point into a lifestyle of freedom without the intimidating price tag or logistical headaches of traditional RVs. It represents a shift toward intentional living, where every object and every square inch must serve a purpose. This van is not just a vehicle, it is a tool for liberation. It provides the ability to wake up to a different view every morning, whether it is a sunrise over the Atlantic or the silhouette of the Rockies, all while having your kitchen, your bed, and your sanctuary right behind you.
In conclusion, the Sienna camper van is a testament to what is possible when creative design meets a reliable platform. It challenges our perceptions of what a home can be and where it can go. By combining the freedom of the open road with the warmth of a proper home, this conversion sets a new standard for the minivan class. It is a quiet revolution on wheels, proving that the best adventures often come in the most unassuming packages. Whether you are a weekend warrior or a full-time traveler, this build serves as a stunning inspiration for your next journey into the great unknown.